Choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase. The province of Conochocho was situated on the Pacific coast, hundreds of kilometers southeast of Tenochtitlan, the capital of the Aztec Empire. Because Conochocho's location within the empire was so blank, cacao and other trade goods produced there could reach the capital only after a long overland journey. So the text highlights how Chonochocho's the location of this province was rather far away from the capital of the capital, Tenochtitlan. So goods that were traveling to Chonochocho could reach the empire only after a long overland journey. So we're looking for a word that best fits in this blank to highlight how Chonochocho is located far away from the empire. A. Unobtrusive. This is incorrect because unobtrusive means not obvious, but this wouldn't make sense to properly describe how Chonochocho is located far away. So A is incorrect. B. Concealed. This is incorrect because concealed means hidden from view, but this doesn't properly describe the province of Chonochocho because it's not really hidden from view, but instead it's located far away. So B is incorrect. C. Approximate. This is incorrect because approximate would imply that the location of Konochocho isn't quite well known. But as before, this isn't quite the issue with the location of Konochocho, it's more that it's located far away. So C is incorrect. D. Peripheral. This seems to be the correct answer because peripheral means that it's far out of view, and this would properly correctly describe Conochocho because it's located very far away from the capital of Tenochtitlan. Therefore, the correct answer is D.